With more than 30 years of experience, Asian Laser provides a comprehensive laser integration solution. We are involved in the installation, training, repair and preventive maintenance of laser machines used in various industries. Asian Laser strongly believes in growing with technology. Our mission is to build a laser product that meets all your requirements. Our vision is to be the leader in the laser industry across the globe and deliver the most compelling laser product, service with world-class laser solutions to customers.
Laser marking is a process that involves modifying the surface of a particular material with a fine spot diameter created by a laser beam. Laser marking machines use a spot beam to engrave, anneal, vaporize or remove surface of material, resulting in a clear marking. Markings done by lasers don't wear out like the ink-based methods. Since the laser discolors the material using oxidation, the imprint can be hard to remove. This process complies with quality control requirements in PL laws and ISO international standards. It is widely used for etching brand name, best before date, serial numbers, on numerous materials. They are highly economic and beneficial in comparison to traditional marking methods. Laser marking is also an eco-friendly option, as there is no ink involved in the entire process. Factors like ink cartridge disposal and after cleaning operations are eliminated. Laser engraving, also known as laser etching, is a subtractive manufacturing method that uses a laser beam to change the surface of an object. Engraving is mostly used to create or etch images on the material that are visible at the eye level. The etching process takes place when laser creates a high heat beam that vaporizes the matter, thus exposing cavities forming the final image. It uses laser for marking the surface of an item. Laser engraving is a quick process as the material is removed with each pulse of the laser. The number of times laser contacts the material it deepens the cavity inflicted, created a sharper and realistic print. A laser marking computer software can be used to control the depth of the cavity. There are different types of laser engraving machines. First, engraver machines where the workpiece is stable and the laser moves according to the pattern of the design created in the software. Most of the machines fall in the category of cylindrical workpieces. Whereas, some laser engraving machines allow not only the laser and the workpiece to be immobile but also the galvo mirrors that move the laser beam on the surface to engrave. Laser cutting is one of the popular methods of customization that are being used today. With computer-controlled laser beams, creation of unique and appealing design has become easy. The process of laser cutting is quite simple. It is mainly a thermal process in which a focused laser beam is used to melt material in a localized area. A coaxial gas jet is used to eject the molten material and create a cut. A continuous cut is produced by moving the laser beam or workpiece under CNC control. There are three major varieties of laser cutting: fusion cutting, flame cutting and remote cutting. Fusion laser cutting involves inert gas, typically nitrogen, to expel molten material out of the cut. Nitrogen gas does not exothermic ally react with the molten material and thus does not contribute to the energy input. Flame laser cutting uses oxygen as the assisting gas in addition to exerting mechanical force on the molten material. This creates an exothermic reaction that increases the energy input to the process. Remote laser cutting partially ablates the material with a high-intensity laser beam, allowing thin sheets to be cut with no gas. Laser is the future of industrial welding. The seamless, quick and easy process is economic and time-saving. Can be operated and controlled with the help of computer software, to cut different types of material in desired shapes. Laser welding uses a highly concentrated beam of light on a very tiny spot so that the area under the laser beam absorbs the light and becomes highly energetic. It is a non-contact process which requires access to the weld zone from only one side of the parts being welded. The laser weld is formed as the intense laser light rapidly heats the material in milliseconds. There are different types of laser welding machines that are available in the market. Their functions and method of operation distinguish their uses and applications. Heat conduction welding and keyhole welding are the different types of welding processes that are prominently used for industrial operations. Heat conduction welding heats the surface of the material to the melting point for welding. The advantage of hot conduction welding is that the final weld will be highly smooth and aesthetically.
Our handheld fiber laser welding machine is a new type of high-power, high-end continuous welding tool which adopts a high-quality fiber laser source to produce a fiber optic beam. After the transmission process, the light is focused on the workpiece to achieve continuous welding. It avoids the two thresholds of thermal strain and post-treatment, and is environmentally friendly and pollution-free, greatly improving the joint strength and quality of welding. Replacing the previously fixed light path with a handheld type not only facilitates the welding of molds, advertising characters, kitchen utensils, doors, and windows, etc., but also makes laser welding possible in outdoor operations, which indicates that the traditional welding of electric welding, argon arc welding, etc. will be replaced by laser welding. Handheld fiber laser welding machine is applicable for all kinds of metals and various alloys, such as carbon steel, mold steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, brass, zinc, gold, silver, chromium, nickel, and other metal materials.
For the best customer experience, Asian Laser provides services like prompt repair, training, easy supply of spare parts, immediate service,